Using the PCI dashboards. Before using the PCI dashboards, you need to have access approved via the user access system. For full instructions on how to gain access, please see the How to Access PCI guide, which details all the steps needed to get access. Once it's been approved, you can log into our dashboards at viz.nhsnss.scot.nhs.uk, typing in your login details and selecting NSS from the options. Enter your username and password and select Login. Once logged in, select the Projects tab located in the top left-hand corner of the document, and you'll be given the option to select one of two projects. If you work in a GP practice, you'll see the box PCI Cluster Information, which contains dashboards at GP practice and cluster level. As an example of how the dashboards are set out, select PCI Cluster Information. To make sure these dashboards are ordered correctly, select the Sort By drop-down box and select Name in that box. Now select Disease Prevalence and then select the very first dashboard titled Asthma to Depression. The dashboard tabs allow you to select different worksheets within the dashboard. The drop-down tabs allow you to select a defined geography which automatically defaults to cluster. Other drop-down tabs can be used to select smaller geographies associated with initial geography selected, the practice associated with that smaller geography and time period. The legend box colour codes different geographical levels in the information box. Hover the mouse over a particular bar to show data relevant to the selected practice. If you want to quickly download the data behind a particular chart, you can do so by selecting the title of the chart, hovering over it, and then selecting the View Data icon. In order to download data to CSV for multiple measures at the same time, select one of the Data Table tabs, then select the data from the drop-down menus at the top. Select any value in the table and then select Download and Cross tab. This will allow you to save the data file as a CSV. If you want the dashboard to default to your practice each time you log in, click on the View button, save your view and make it your default option. This will be what shows up next time you open the dashboard. Selecting PCI Cluster Information from the top left corner will give you a list of all the available dashboards for which you can repeat the above process. Over time, additional information may appear in these dashboards. If you have any further queries, please email our general practice inbox at nss.isdgeneralpractice@nhs.net.